Ladies and gentlemen, this video is being made from the premises of the DSS in Abuja. You all know who I am. My name is Aloy Ejimakor. I'm the special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. On my right is Barrister Nnamdi Kanu. Behind me is Barrister Patrick Ageze, who came from Enugu, and to my left is Barrister Mandela Umeborok. All of us, all four of us, came to the premises of DSS to meet with our client today to discuss what happened in court on 24th on the way forward on his case. But we were not allowed by the DSS to meet with our client. We came by few minutes to 2 p.m. Until now that I'm speaking to you, which is some minutes to 5 p.m., we have not been allowed to meet with our client. So we're just about to leave. And we have our suspicions. Our suspicion, which is credible, is that the DSS and the federal government of Nigeria, they are not happy that our client requested the judge handling this matter to withdraw from handling the case. If for this reason, what other reason could explain this unconstitutional behavior of preventing lawyers from meeting with their clients who is under trial? So we need the world to know that this thing furthers what the government of the day or the DSS has been doing that actually complicated the trial of this case that culminated in our client being frustrated and losing confidence in the judge who was handling this case, and which resulted on 24th September in our client requesting the judge to withdraw. So we decided to make this video to inform the world about what is happening, and we are going to back it up with a press statement, another press statement later. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. That's enough.
So, DSS blocks legal team from meeting Nnamdi Kanu, violating court orders. The legal team representing Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has condemned the Department of State Services, DSS, for denying them access to their client in violation of court orders. Remember, court has already said they can approach him. There is a particular time specified to meet with him. So they are not responding as the court has directed. Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, speaking on behalf of the team, stated that the DSS obstructed their visit today at the agency's Abuja facility. He emphasized that this action contravenes both existing court rulings and the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria. According to him, he said, "We arrived shortly before 2 p.m., hoping to discuss recent court developments and strategize on the next step in Kanu's case." Ejimakor said, however, despite waiting until nearly 5 p.m., we were not permitted to see him. We have serious concerns regarding this situation. Ejimakor speculated that the DSS actions may stem from Kanu's recent request for the presiding judge, Justice Binta Nyako, to withdraw from the case. What other reason could justify such unconstitutional behavior? He questioned, asserting that the government's action complicates Kanu's trial and contribute to his loss of faith in the judicial process. He also suggested that the DSS has effectively cancelled all future visits as retaliation for Kanu's legal maneuver. This effectively isolates him from his lawyers, enforcing a state of absolute solitary confinement. Ejimakor lamented, "We are left uncertain about when, if ever, we will be able to meet with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again." So he's trying to say what they did at the DSS, refusing them to see, was in response to last court sitting at which Nnamdi Kanu asked Binta Nyako to withdraw from the case for not following Supreme Court judgment. The situation surrounding Nnamdi Kanu and the action of the DSS, it raises significant concerns about legal rights and the integrity of judicial process in Nigeria. Denying one legal access to a detained individual, especially in violation of court orders, undermines the rule of law and can severely impact a defendant's ability to prepare their case. Because until they go to him, listen to him, they will know the next step further. They will need their client to prepare for the next step. Anything goes in Nigeria. And this has implications, in case you don't know. Now, the allegation of retaliation for Kanu's request for a change in judges, it highlights the troubling dynamics at play. Such actions not only raise questions about the motives of the government and the DSS, but also about the fairness and transparency of the legal system. It's crucial for the international community and human rights organizations to monitor the situation closely. It reflects a broader issue of justice and accountability within the country. Anyone does whatever they like. You are DSS boss, you are this and that, you are Chief Justice of Nigeria. That means you should do whatever you like. You are the helms of affair in your organization. In addition to the legal implications, this incident underscores the importance of safeguarding the rights of detainees and the necessity of accountability within security agencies. It raises concern about the potential abuses of power and the erosion of trust in the judicial system. When you continue to do this, people will no longer trust the law to save them. The other day, Bintanyako gave order. DSS, it came to a point, she gives order, the DSS will not regard the order. They will do whatever they like. Imagine a lot of people are watching. People will begin to think, oh, can we ever get justice in the courts? Do we have to go to the courts? We know what transpires in the court, in the Nigerian court. Are we going to get justice? There's no need. Let's seek for solutions elsewhere. It could discourage individuals from seeking legal recourse or advocating for their rights, fearing retaliation too. Can you imagine? The government is retaliating. As far as we know, the government should always be at the center, showing some kind of fairness in dealing with people. Can you imagine? The government is now retaliating. You know that the truth is that Nigerian system has a lot of problem. Nigeria, I'm sorry to say, is the worst place in terms of most of everything. But I don't know why. Does it mean some people cannot decide to, in the position they are, try to maintain a little so that even the foreign bodies, people who are watching will say, oh, this one is trying to get things right. Does it mean because Nigeria has a problem, I don't know whether to say it's from the foundation, does it mean everyone should continue to do whatever they like? Court will give order. DSS will not respond to the order. The next day, DSS will, the court will do whatever they like to rule whatever they like. Everybody, as if they are drunk. The DSS is drunk. The court is drunk. This one being swayed by its drunkenness to this direction. This one being swayed by its drunkenness to the other direction. Then the presidency doing their own. All of them drunk. Gradually, the trust on the judicial process is being eroded. People will begin to seek other means for redress. If una no one wise, make una wise. You will always tell people, go to the law for redress. Look at the people who are supposed to protect the law. Look at what they are doing. Oh, I'll just leave it here for now. Please share this video widely. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye-bye for now.